So what is the standard? That is a document approved by the recognized body that provide for common repeated use, rules, guidelines, or the characteristics for product processes or service with which the compliant are not mandatory. So this standard describes the nature of the project management process, grouped into 5 categories known as the process groups. The first one is initiating the process groups. So the next is the planning, third one is executing, fourth one is monitoring and controlling, and lastly the closing process groups. How a process group interact within the project. The process group are overlapping activities that occur throughout the project. The output of one process generally becomes an input to another process or is a deliverable of the project. For example, the planning provides the executing process with the management plan and the project document, and as the project progresses, it creates an update to the management plan and the project documents.
And the first process group is initiating. And the first step in this group is develop project charter. It is the process of developing a document that formally authorizes the existence of a project. The second step is identify stakeholders. It involves identifying the people, groups, or organizations that could impact or be impacted by a decision or outcome of the project. We come to the second process group, which is planning. Develop project management plan. It is defining, preparing, and coordinating all subsidiary plans and integrating them into a comprehensive plan. The second step is plan scope management. It can create a scope management plan that documents how the project scope will be defined, validated, and controlled.
Plan cost management is the process of developing rules and methods for project cost planning and management. Estimate cost is the process of estimating the monetary resources required to fulfill project tasks. Plan risk management is the process of determining how risk management operation for a project will be carried out. Plan stakeholder management is the process of designing suitable management strategies to involve stakeholders successfully throughout the project life cycle, based on an understanding of their requirements, interests, and possible impact on project success.
The executing process group consists of those processes performed to complete the work defined in the project management plan to satisfy the project specifications. This process group involves coordinating people and resources, managing stakeholder expectations, as well as integrating and performing the activities of the project in accordance with the project management plan. The first steps of this process is direct and manage project work. Direct and manage project work is the process of leading and performing the work defined in the project management plan and implementing approved changes to achieve the project's objective. They have 4 inputs and 5 outputs. Manage project team is the process of tracking team members' performance, providing feedbacks, resolving issues, and managing team changes to optimize project performance. It has 6 inputs and 5 outputs. Product procurement is the process of obtaining sellers' responses, selecting a seller, and awarding a contract. It has 8 input and 6 output. And finally, manage stakeholder engagement is the process of communicating and working with stakeholders to meet the needs or expectations, address issues as they occur, and foster appropriate stakeholder engagement in project activities throughout the project life cycle. It has 4 inputs and 5 outputs.
The monitoring and controlling process group track, review, and orchestrate the project's performance, including identifying and implementing change. It involves preventive action, monitoring activities against the plan, and configuration management. It helps analyze, control, and coordinate projects for plan alignment, with the first step being track and report project progress, and the second step being manage and approve project change, with the third step being validate scope, formalize acceptance of project deliverable, enhancing final product acceptance. The fourth step being control scope, monitoring project status and manage scope change, maintaining the scope baseline. The fifth step control schedule, monitor project activities, update progress, and manage schedule change. The sixth step control cost, monitor project status, update cost, and manage cost baseline change. Step 7 control quality, monitors and records quality activities, assesses performance, and recommend change. Step 8 control communication, monitors and control project communication to meet stakeholder information needs. Step 9 control risk, implement risk plan, track risk, monitoring residual risk, identify new risk, and evaluate risk process. Step 10 control procurement, manage procurement relationship, monitor contract performance, and make contract change. The final step controls stakeholder engagement, monitors stakeholder relationship, and adjusts engagement strategies and plans. Closing process group wrap up all project activities, confirm process completion, and officially recognize the project of phase conclusion. It also handles premature closure and organizes handover procedure for certain contract and activities. Specific event may arise at the closure stage. Finally, finalize project and phase activities, provide lesson and release resources, then completes and documents its procurement.